Hey there! Zoho Creator facilitates an easy and seamless way to integrate with other services using Integration Flow. Integration Flow is a solution in Zoho Creator that lets you seamlessly connect services and automate actions between them code-free. You can also customize the workflows using Deluge scripts. In this video, we'll learn how to easily connect Zoho Creator apps with Zoho CRM using Integration Flow. Before we dive in, let's quickly familiarize ourselves with some of the terminologies you'll find in Integration Flow that will be used throughout the video. A flow, as the name suggests, is a workflow created to connect cloud apps. It has two components, a trigger and actions. A trigger is what initiates the workflow, and actions are the tasks that are to be executed. In this context, the event that occurs in Zoho Creator will be our trigger, and the subsequent tasks that get done in Zoho CRM will be our actions. Based on where the trigger takes place, triggers are further classified as shown here. Now that these terms are clear, let's proceed. For demonstration, let's take the case of an event management application. This is a sample event registration form where interested participants can register to attend the conference. Ensure this form is published and accessed from the production environment. We need the registered participant information to be added to the Leads module of Zoho CRM. For that, we need to establish a connection between the two platforms and execute a workflow using Integration Flow. Let's see how to do this. To create a flow, go to the home page of your Zoho Creator account. Click Create Solution and choose Integration Flow. There are template options you can choose from, but let's create one from scratch. Give a name and description to your flow. This allows you to identify the flow from the home page. The Flow Builder will open. As mentioned before, these are the types of triggers we have. Here, we need the trigger to initiate when a form is submitted in the event management app built on Zoho Creator. This means we need to go for the app trigger. Now, choose the primary app, Zoho Creator. There are two types of triggers available in Zoho Creator. Choose either of them depending on the type you need. In our case, the flow starts when a form is submitted, so let's choose Record Created. Click Next. Now, we need to establish a connection between Zoho Creator and Zoho Flow. All the existing connections get listed in the drop-down. Since we do not have any yet, let's create a new one. Click Connect. Give a name. You can specify the type of trigger and actions to be executed from this connection. For the time being, let's choose all triggers and actions. Click Authorize. Integration Flow requests your consent to access data from your Zoho Creator account. Go through it and choose Accept. Once the connection is chosen, the variable name is autofilled. You can rename it as you wish. You can use alphanumerics and underscores, but ensure to begin the name with a letter. This variable is later used when any custom function needs to be written. All the applications in your Zoho Creator account get listed here. Let's choose Event Management App. Then choose the form based on which the trigger needs to be initiated. Give one or more criteria if needed. Click Done. Our trigger is ready. Let's create a similar connection with Zoho CRM and associate an action to this trigger. From the left panel, choose Zoho CRM. From the drop-down, you can see all the actions available in this app. Let's drag and drop Create or Update Lead. Let's create a connection. Give a name. Let's apply this connection to all triggers and actions. For specific ones, choose that and select the needed triggers and actions. Click Authorize. Give consent to the request raised by Zoho Flow to access the specified data. The connection is ready. You can change the auto-filled variable if needed. Below this, all the fields from the Leads module are listed. Fill all the mandatory and other necessary fields. We need dynamic values to be filled based on the form submission. Zoho Flow lets you map fields. Choose the necessary variables from the right panel dropdowns. All fields from the form are listed. Let's map company, full name, email, and phone number. Fill other static values if needed. Here you can see that last name is a mandatory field, but we do not have a specific variable name for it. Either you can use separate single-line fields for first and last names in your form, or specify the variable. You can find the variable of the last name field while testing the flow. Let's give a sample variable for the time being. Type $, within the parenthesis, trigger.last_name. Now, let's test this flow to get the variable name. Switch on the flow. Now, go to the play icon on the right. As instructed, let's submit a form entry. Go to Recent Executions and view the details. You can test the flow as many times as you need. From here, you'll see the unique link name of the last name field. If there's any change from the previously written link name, edit it by clicking the pen icon next on the Action tab. Here, our flow is ready. This is a simple and direct requirement. However, Zoho Flow lets you add logics between actions to streamline and branch your complex needs. You can assign values to a variable and use these variables across the flow, or set specific conditions for an action to take place. For instance, using conditional logic, you can send separate emails to your attendees based on the conference they've chosen. Additionally, you can set wait time between actions to suit your convenience. For the time being, we'll stick to this flow. Now, let's fill out the form and see the results. As you can see, the data from both form submissions got added to the Leads module with dynamic values. You can see the task history of the flow from the History section. Similarly, the Summary section gives you an overview of that flow. You can make changes to the flow name and description from this dashboard. In this way, you can easily integrate and communicate data between Zoho Creator and numerous other apps using integration flow in Zoho Creator. Hope this video helped you understand the process better. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.